What's up guys, Steve from Aerospace Components. Today we're going to be doing a brake install on this S197. We got our street strip kit, dimpled and slotted rotor, direct bolt caliper 4-piston. It's going to bolt directly to the spindle, out no brackets, no modifications. So let's get into it. Alright guys, everything's tore down. We're going to clean off this hub, clean out these little ears here, make sure everything, all the debris is off of it, and then we'll start installation. Alright guys, we got everything cleaned up. We assembled our hat onto our rotor. Now this is crucial to use red Loctite. Clean the bolts, use red Loctite, torque them down to 15 foot-pounds. We already went ahead and assembled this rotor. Next we're gonna go ahead and put it on our hub, this factory hub. Use a couple lug nuts to hold it in place, and then we'll bolt the caliper on. Okay, that is on. Now these calipers bolt directly to the spindle. No modifications. We use this bolt kit here. You're gonna put lock washer, flat washer, and we're gonna use a little bit of blue Loctite. On each bolt. So what we're going to do first is we're going to mock it up, make sure it's centered. It should be. We've specially designed these to bolt directly on without shimming. So it should go right on. We're going to check anyway. We could shim it if we need to, but it should go right on and line right up. We're going to go ahead and snug those down. Alright, our caliper is mocked up. We're going to back one bolt out at a time, put some blue Loctite on, and button the caliper up. Then we'll do some pads and a brake line, and it's done. All right, now we're going to install the pads. I already got the pad bolt out. The caliper is mounted, blue Loctited, everything spins freely. We're going to go ahead and put the pads in. There's a little spring that goes between the pads. This helps keep, there's zero drag on these calipers and little clicks. You might hear the pads, it kind of dampens that. So install that spring in between the pads, put the pad bolt in. All right, just gonna snug up this pad bolt. Doesn't have to be overkill. Just snug it up to where you can still spin it with your hand, just like that. All right, next up is the brake line. We're gonna detach it from this old Brembo caliper here and the line. Then we're gonna weigh everything and see what we come in at. You're gonna save a ton of weight, even with our street kits. There you got, we call it the drag race DNA in them, where it takes everything from our drag kit, puts into a street package, but you still get all the benefits of a drag race style system without a big bulky caliper or anything like that. This is as drag race as you can get for street use. All right, we got the line ran. Everything is done. We're gonna do up the other side now and bleed it, the whole system, bed in the pads, and we are good to go.